Corps, general officers, serving and retired, officers, service members, our families, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, as the Principal Staff Officer in charge of Human Resources for the KDF, it is with deep sorrow and regret that we are gathered here today to fet and honor our CDF. I do not have much to speak about. For me, it's just to announce that immediately after I announce the order of speeches, I shall invite Mr. Ria Kuugira Uhoro Ogolla, the son of General Ogolla, who will speak on behalf of the family. Sir, when Mr. Joel Rabuku is done with his speech representing the family, I shall invite our Assistant Chief of the Defense Forces in charge of personnel and logistics, he shall thereafter invite
KDF Ahua